What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and by now you've seen the thumbnail. Of course, that's why you clicked on this video. But today we are going to be unboxing a very special package that I just got in. This, my friends, is from Google, and this is the Pixel 8 Pro and Pixel Watch 2. So let's talk. All right, so I will say that this is probably the fanciest box that I've gotten. So this is the whole setup of what Google sent out, and I'm just gonna let y'all see this. I'm gonna let you see each one. So first off, I got this nice dust bag that actually says Google Pixel Collection across the front of it. Nice white dust bag with a drawstring, and when you open this bag up, you get the box for the watch, you get the box for the phone, and you get a note from Google. So that's what they give you in that dust bag. Now inside each one of these boxes is nothing more than the remnants of the phone, like cables and things like that. So that's all that's in there. And then, now probably, I don't know if Google knew that I really like chocolate, but they sent over this nice box of chocolates. Not just any chocolate. This is Google Pixel macarons. So that is what we get. Beautiful, beautiful macarons, and I have not tried one, so I wanted to wait until I got on camera. Oh, look at them. They actually got 8 on them. That's dope. They actually got, if you see that, the number 8 right on it. That's good. That's good. Okay, so I'm supposed to be able to open up the camera and get the lens to translate all this good stuff. So once I get it translated, I'll put that in my review. But the macarons are awesome. I love them. Not to be confused with macaroon. A macaroon is a cookie with like coconut on it. These are macarons. All right, now to the big box, because this is what I really appreciated. This attention to detail, this bright blue box, and look at it, I'm keeping that 100%. And this is what you get. Boom. This is where all the magic happens. This is the phone as well as the watch. You get a note in here as well. These notes are from me. You're not gonna be able to read all that stuff, but we got phone in hand, and this is their actual porcelain color. Now I wish I could have got the bay, but you know, hey, it was a gift from Google, so I take what I get. When you turn it on, it popped right on. The screen is gonna be very bright, so we're gonna check that out, let it come on and start doing its thing. And then the watch is over here. Once again, this is just an unboxing, so we're not gonna be doing any reviewing, but I can tell you that the watch is the same size of last year's watch, but it does feel a bit heavier this year for some reason. I'm not sure why. Very soft band on here, and you actually get like extra length band in this box right here. So extra piece of band is in here. We know that this is, it has Fitbit built into it. All that good stuff. We will come to that when we get to the review, but that is all that is in this box. But matter of fact, I think I kept the box from last year. The box from last year actually was like a mirror. So when you open it up, it was a mirror reflecting the phone and the watch. Like, I keep all this stuff. I got it somewhere. It's probably in storage, but that is nice. Take a look at that porcelain device. It's a little bit goldish up around the camera. Matte finish on that glass. You don't have that shiny back anymore. We like it. I really, that's what people were asking for. A matte finish. You have the G logo, USB Type-C down bottom, all your buttons on the side. And my only issue with Google always has been the button placement. Like, I'm just a Samsung guy and I'm used to the buttons being reversed, but I digress from that point. we want to see how this actually works. So taking another look at this, that is the porcelain. I know it's kind of bright on that screen, but yeah, once again, that is the porcelain. This is the watch. We will be getting this stuff turned on, getting it set up. Watch charger is in the box as well. I can't wait. So hopefully this has, oh, well, this really didn't help you out because I didn't do much. I just wanted to show you the unboxing experience from my perspective. Like, I'm not gonna get to take it out of the box. It was already out of the box when I got it. But this very nice Google presentation, probably one of the best ones that I've had so far. I've enjoyed doing this. So until next time, stay tuned. We got reviews coming. Average Tech out. Peace.